Meaning of hard right.
Hard right.
Hard right.
Hard right.
Hard right. Hard right typically refers to a political ideology that emphasizes conservative and traditional values, including nationalism, individualism, and limited government intervention. Supporters of the hard right often reject progressive policies such as LGBT rights, multiculturalism, and environmentalism. The result of embracing a hard right agenda can lead to increased social polarization and divisiveness, as well as limiting progress in areas such as human rights, scientific advancements, and environmental protection. It's important to recognize the potential consequences of such extreme ideologies and strive for a balanced and inclusive society.